Hello everyone, this is Sister Roland, and all I need is a few minutes to show what I'm going to cook today. So I'm making cornmeal again, but this time with the dried mushroom Maggi. I'm going to use 1.5, and I'm making it with mixed vegetable and chopped spinach. So I'm heating the pot, and I'm going to put some oil. And after putting some oil, then I'm gonna add my marinade and my ippies with the spinach and the Maggi. This is the spinach with the mixed vegetable with the dry mushroom. So I saute it. Saute for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add water. So that's the water for the mushroom. Well, the mushroom cornmeal. I already washed my cornmeal. You have to wash your cornmeal, and then I'm gonna add it in here. This usually takes 30 to 45 minutes to cook because this is like the very soft, like the medium cornmeal. If it was the thicker one, it would take a little longer. You know, thicker cornmeal is gonna take, it would take maybe like an hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, that's the Maggi under my fingernails. So this is going to take 30 to 45 minutes to cook. You can push it to an hour if you want, but 30 to 45 minutes is good for this type of cornmeal. So when the water is about to boil, when it's boiling, that's when you would add the cornmeal. Like I said, I don't have any measurements for the cornmeal. As long as I can see it, even though it's dark, you know, I can visibly see it, then I know that's enough. And plus cornmeal, no matter what pot you put it in, it adapts to that pot also. That's what I noticed, especially cornmeal. See, as long as I can see it, I know it's enough. But this is going to need a little bit more water, especially with cornmeal, to get rid of those balls. See those balls that's coming up. Oh, and I need to change my spoon. I forgot. It's best to cook cornmeal with a wooden spoon, so you can take out all those balls. I'm gonna add some more water. So I added my vegan butter, and then all you need to do is constantly stir it to take out those balls in the cornmeal. So you constantly stir it. You put it on low to medium heat also, and then you just let it cook. Alright, so that's what I have to show them. When it's done, I'm gonna have to show. I'm gonna eat it. Just gonna eat it like this probably because it has all these vegetables in it. Okay, so that's it right there. So this is the cornmeal with the mushroom. So it gives it the cornmeal just a, you know, a little oomph with the color. Remember, always eat cornmeal from the side. And I'm gonna take it with smoothie. My daughter made this berry smoothie. She used naked as the base. Look at me putting stuff in my thing. But she used, you know, those naked juices as the base. So that's what I'm gonna take it with. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.